Is it possible to lose 40 pounds in 3 months? A couple of years ago, I was stuck at 175 pounds after my 5th baby. Nothing was working, not even macro counting, strength workouts, or willpower. Every day felt heavy and I was exhausted trying to bounce back. I tried every diet, every quick fix, and I still couldn't lose a pound. Then I found out about microdosing and that changed everything. Within weeks, I felt like myself again. I had energy and I wasn't anxious around food. I didn't have food noise just controlling my brain all day long. It was night and day from what I had been struggling with before all of those months. I lost 40 pounds in 3 months, dropped from a size 12 to a size 4. And the best part, the food noise quieted. I could finally eat what I loved in normal portions and feel satisfied.